What if I told you that a simple change in your morning routine could lead to a happier, more successful you? If you're craving peace, productivity, and purpose in your days, then you are in the right place. We're diving deep into the power of a morning routine, because how you start your day can completely transform how you live your life. It's time to ditch the morning mayhem and step into a life where you feel grounded, energized, and ready to take on any challenges life may present. It all starts with a few simple changes that will set your mind and spirit on the right path. We will walk you through creating a morning routine that you will actually want to stick with. We're talking simple, actionable steps you can start today. Let's create a simple, yet powerful morning routine that sets you up for success. Not overwhelm, just real results. How many times have you rolled out of bed already feeling behind? It's like the moment your eyes open, chaos rushes in. But what if you could transform that by prepping the night before? Imagine waking up in a peaceful, clutter-free space. Your outfit is ready, your goals are clear. That's the magic of prepping the night before. So tonight, take a few minutes to set yourself up for success. Write down your top 3 goals for tomorrow. What do you want to achieve? Lay out your clothes, pack your lunch, and tidy up. Waking up to a clutter-free environment does wonders. A little prep work goes a long way in creating a smoother morning. Now that we've prepped the night before and woken up in your peaceful sanctuary, it's time to give your mind a little love. Let's take care of our mental health by practicing mindfulness or meditation. Even just 5 minutes of conscious breathing can shift your energy. Find a quiet corner, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Inhale positivity, exhale what's no longer serving you. Feel the tension melt away as you connect with the present moment. Start your day with intention and mindfulness as your secret weapon. After taking the time to care for our minds, next is to care for our bodies. Get up and get moving. It's not about running a marathon at the start of your day. We're talking about simple, feel-good movements that awaken your body and get your energy flowing. Think gentle stretches, yoga poses, or even a quick dance party in your pajamas. Moving your body in the morning is like a burst of sunshine for your soul. It boosts your circulation, increases your energy levels, and helps you feel more alert and focused throughout the day. Plus, it's a beautiful way to show your body some love and appreciation. So put on your favorite tunes, crank up the volume, and let loose. Your body will thank you for it. Now that you've nourished your mind and body, it is time to fuel up with a delicious and nutritious breakfast. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day for a reason. It kickstarts your metabolism, gives you the energy you need to conquer your to-do list, and helps you make healthier choices throughout the day. But it's not just about what you eat, but also what you drink. Start your day by hydrating with a big glass of water. It flushes out toxins, boosts your metabolism, and helps you feel more energized and alert. Then, treat your body to a balanced breakfast that includes protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Think smoothies, oatmeal with berries and nuts, or avocado toast with eggs. Remember, you are what you eat. So choose foods that make you feel your absolute best. After nourishing our mind, body, and soul, now it's time to dedicate a few minutes to personal growth. This is your time to invest in yourself, to expand your knowledge, and to become the best version of yourself. Whether it's reading a few pages of an inspiring book, journaling your thoughts and dreams, or visualizing your ideal day, even just 15 minutes can make a world of difference. Use this time to feed your mind with positive affirmations, set powerful intentions for the day, or simply reflect on all the amazing things you're grateful for. Remember, personal growth is a journey, not a destination. So be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and watch your life transform one incredible morning at a time. So, there you have it. Your step-by-step guide to creating a morning routine that will set your mind, body, and soul on the right track for the day to come. Remember, the most important thing is to create a routine that feels good for you, one that lights you up from the inside out. Experiment with different practices. Find what works best for your lifestyle, and don't be afraid to adjust it as needed. How you start your day sets the tone for everything that follows. So make it a morning filled with intention, joy, and purpose. Now let's hear from you. What's one thing you're going to incorporate into your morning routine starting today? Share your thoughts and morning routines in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more inspiring content.